Making a strong business statement is easy with indoor corporate signage. Having the ability to showcase your brand to visitors coming to your place of business only adds to your professionalism and credibility. Not only that, you can use indoor signage to assist visitors to the whereabouts of certain offices, rooms, and other locations in your building. This can make for a better experience for both your company and your visitor. Whether your visitor is your prospect or an existing client, an office sign can make all the difference. Being able to show your professionalism is always going to be beneficial to your overall brand. What makes indoor corporate signs so important is that they can convey an important message professionally and quickly. Various types of interior business signage are available, including dimensional signs, wall graphics, carved signs, and transparent prints on glass, to name a few. If you're thinking about having indoor corporate signage in your place of business, it's crucial to entrust production to a company that possesses the necessary equipment, expertise, and professionalism you're looking for. A well-made office sign can last for several years, which can be extremely cost-effective for your business in the long run. After all, it's far less disruptive to not have to take it down for replacement. Need an indoor sign for your business? We at Signs Alive Incorporated have trained sign specialists who can create a unique sign to match your business needs. Let one of our friendly expert staff discuss your project. We'd love to hear from you. Contact us now at www.signsalive.com.